record this one as well. So here we have several chart as I said, work to do, and we have this file that we have to work on. This is very important, so pay closely attention in here, or pay close attention in here. So here, so this said that we have to open N218. Mute yourself first. Mute yourself. It's not. You know. Okay, let me just mute you all. All right. So this is the N218 top 10, and the first question, it says that we need to create a pie chart to take only the 5 tin mining countries. So only, in other words, you just have to make sure that you have the top 10 or top 5 of it. So it's gonna be this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the top 5. The rest are having lower numbers. So meaning you have to select only this 5 here. Do not even select this, because this will be part of the chart. So select only this 5. Go to insert, then select the chart you want. If you want this, select this. It doesn't matter for me. It doesn't matter at all, as long as it's a correct chart. 5 tin mining countries. So you just have to put it here. It says top 5. What is that? Top 5 tin mining countries. All right. So that's the title. And it says for each of the sector, the country name and the production value should be there. So meaning the production value is this, and this is the country. Will do. You will go to the, click that one, and you go to the and have the quick layouts if you wanted here. So click what you want to put, like this one, but there's no title for it. So let me just go back to leave it like this way. So that, but then instead of percentage, I will go to the format the data label, and I make it into the value, not the percentage. And I can make it outside and also if necessary. So this is how it should be. This is your chart would look like. So the title, the name, and the value that they have mentioned. So let's go back there. And it says do not display the legend. So we don't have the legend already on that. We remove it, and it's not even there. So if you want that it will look better, I think this one is like it's so congested. So just go back the format data label and make it probably best fit. All right, so that it will not it will be clear. And then there's one thing there that you forgot. Extract the sector for the largest production or producing countries. So in other words, the largest right now is China. So click this China, click it one more time so the circle is only for China, then pull it out. That will be your first word. Now, then you're done with the first one. You get the 5 marks if that's 5 marks. Now the next are already informed. When we talk about vertical bar chart, we're talking about a chart which is column chart. So you go here and you go to the type and you have to create a column chart. The problem with you guys is that you are including the total. Total is not part of it. This chart should compare the quantity and the value for each type of fish landed. So right now, here we have 3 types of this one here. Look, we have this demersal. What have you done is that you included the total. Of course, total is not part of the fish. Click this one and this normal chart. Do not create a chart where you are playing around with this type. This is not a good example. This is the only thing you can have, or this one here. So better leave with a normal one if you're not sure about what chart you have to put. Now, label the chart, the title, the fish landed. So of course you have to put it here. Okay. Capital for capital. And then category series label displayed in full. Category meaning this one. This is displayed properly. And access titles, fish, type, and number should be there. So these are the fish type and this is number. So how you will do it? Remember the plus sign and you have the access titles. So you have to put it here. So you should have the fish type, and in here number as they mentioned. So that is exactly they want. Now they mention about the legend or no? They don't specify. Label the chart with the title, category label display in full, access titles as fish type, and numbers there. So they don't specify about the legend even. Legend is important for this quantity and value, but if they don't specify, you will not lose mark for that. But in this paper, it's like, it's really important to have the legend also. So anyway, but you will not lose mark if you will not do it, as I've said. So it's not a big deal, but just if you wanted to add, you can do this way. So you will understand what is the blue stands for and what's the orange stands for. That is the second chart. The third chart dimension here, using the growth, creating a vertical bar chart, the forecast growth of the cross-country event only for 2020 to 2023. So meaning you have to select only 2020 until this one here. Let me just double check. From 2020 to 2023. So that's the only thing. So the cross country. So you just have to see the thing here, the cross country. Only this one. Only this one you have to make a chart for. Why my selection is not going? See, vertical bar chart show the forecast growth of cross-country events only for the year 2020 to 2023. So you are excluding the rest, only the cross-country you need. Then just go to insert and make like this. So this is what you should have. Most of you highlight everything, and of course that's wrong. That's not the cross countries. And then label the chart with the title, Growth in Cross-Country Event. Gross in cross country. Oh God, I hate this. Event. All right. Gross in cross countries events. So there's nothing even else to do there. That's enough. Plus, of course, label this one because this is not good to be displayed 1, 2, 3, 4. Select the data. You see the 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Select the years. This, and that's it. You already have the work on number 3. That's how simple it will be, because that's the only thing they ask for it. Now let's move to number 4. Number 4, create a vertical bar chart using the table J4 categories. So meaning you just have to open this file categories here, scroll up so that you can see it. Now read the question carefully. Create a vertical bar chart using the table. Show only the number of each type of sporting activities available. Each type of sporting. All right. Okay, this is the type of sporting they have. And then they said, show the numbers of each type of sporting activities available. Numbers of each sporting. So what they want to do is numbers. They don't need this average. Okay, they need only the numbers, not the average. So meaning you just have to highlight this part, holding the control button and highlight these options here, like that. And then insert, because if you see my selection right now, see there's a little bit like highlighted here, so that is not allowed. So you have to highlight properly. It should be like this. See, there's no highlighted, only the white one area above. All right, so when you click the chart for it, it will look like this, and it says number of activities would be the title. Put it activities. All right, and category series label displayed in full. Category series displayed in full, meaning these names here. So you see, adrenaline, air, animal, food, other, water, and wheel. So it should be there. Access titles, category, and total category, or this is total. So that's very simple thing to think. Of course, these are numbers, so it should be the total. So click this one here, go back and then add total, and these are the categories. categories. All right. Do not display legend. I don't have legend, but if the legend is available, of course, you just have to remove the check here. All right. Now, how hard it would be. The only thing you need is you have to think a little bit on that particular part that it should be like that way. Now, let's go to the question if you have right now. So now, those who haven't completed, you still have 6 minutes to make it all the things work right. Question one at a time. I will
Yeah, Mister. Look what happened when I tried to do X, Y, Z on this.